Hi Math 6 kiddos, this is my dog Cora. She's joining me on the video to say hi. So she's saying hi. I really miss you guys and I hope you all are doing well. I know this is just crazy times, but we're going to keep pushing through it. I just want to give you a quick hi and overview of what we're going to be working on over the next week or two. So we're going to jump back into our expressions. We're going to recap today, review what we remember about order of operations, which is going to lead us right into some new stuff with expressions. It won't be too new. It's going to build off of what you know already. But I just want us to take what we've learned and keep pushing forward just a little bit. Of course, if you have any questions at all, you can always ask. You can reach me by email, or if you need a little more explanation or need to talk through a problem, we can always set up a video chat too. My office hours are from 10 to 10:30, so that's when you'll get an immediate response from me. But of course, anytime during 8:45 to 1:45, I can help you out too. So just set that up with me. Feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to either email or video chat with you. Or if you don't want to see face to face, we can always just chat with the microphone. I wanted to give a quick reminder about extra math. Those of you that need to do that, please try and do it 3 times a week if you can. Just want to stay brushed up on those multiplication and division facts. But again, I miss you guys so much. I hope you're doing okay, staying safe at home with your families. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Bye. Have a great day.